What's going on out there, YouTube? Man, we're gonna be changing out the bumper today on this 2007 Honda Civic. Shouldn't be nothing too hard. Couple screws, couple push pins. Had this thing off and on, changed out. I'm not sure y'all know from my previous videos, I hit a possum, cracked this bumper up pretty good, man. Right here. And back over here to this side. Here and here. I had a new bumper already, and then I just got it painted when I picked that thing up the other day. So we're about to go ahead and slap this new bumper on right quick. First thing we gotta do to get this bumper off is take this cover right here off. It's pretty easy. Take out 4 push pins, one here, another here, this one, and this one. After you take these pins out, should come right out. Slide it back. And slide from underneath the latch. Now next thing we're gonna be doing is taking out 2 bolts. Mine's kind of rusty. These Allen keys right here. You can use a T35 to get these out. One here, one there. I don't want to use my drill on this just because this is so rusty. I don't want to strip it out. Use my hand tool. Coming over here to the side of the bumper now. This is where mine's broke at right here. But it's gonna be 1 Phillips screw holding it right there. Y'all might can see it right there a little bit. See that Phillips screw sitting right there? You can get to it from underneath right here. One on this side and one on the opposite side. Now last thing we gotta do to get this bumper off, on the bottom, you should have some push pins. Usually if you're bumping off and on a couple times, if people that own the car, these push pins are not in there. They're held on by something else. You never know what you find under here. I see one of mine had a zip tie right here underneath, but these push pins look like this right here. Just take all these off. Could be a couple of them going all the way around. Looked like mine wasn't, looked like I had one on the end. I don't see none over here. Pretty much just the plastics just broke off. Now I don't have none on this side either. But yeah, if you got the push pins in, just take those out, and then next up your bumper should come out. Now after that, your bumper should come right off. All you do is pull it towards you from each side, and it'll start coming off. All right, we got this old bumper off, man. Y'all see it was all cracked up. Got me good, that possum did. The only thing we're gonna need off your old bumper is this front piece right here. Put that right there, and everything else should fit right back on. New bumper right here. About to open this up right now, see what it look like. But y'all see that thing right here, man? It's that new bumper right here. Fresh paint job on that thing too. A couple little, gotta clean it up though. It's been sitting out. I'll do that when I wash the car, but yeah. Looks like everything gonna fit on pretty good. And mine, when I took my bumper off, I didn't have no plastic at the bottom. My only thing was holding on was just the one zip tie on this side at the bottom. But everything else should go back on like normal. So I'm gonna go ahead, remove this clip, remove this front emblem. I'm gonna put it on here. And y'all can see how to take this off. It's gonna be a couple clips we had to get to in the back here. I'll show you to y'all real quick. This is, y'all see it right here, these two screws right there. Turn around and turn the light so y'all can see it a little bit better. These right here just like little push clips like that right there. They just push up and down. These right here is the 2 screws, and everything else just pops right out. Oh, you got screws on the outside too. Just pops right out. All right, got this emblem on now. Now, just pin the bumper on now. Pin it back on the same way it came off and do the exact same thing. Sit the bumper in here, get everything lined up. Then I'm gonna start, put my 2 bolts in on the side, 2 side bolts. Then I put my 2 bolts in back here in the front. Then I replace this clip right here, and we'll be finitoed. All right, y'all, there we have it. That's the new bumper right there, man. Just as easy as that. Not too hard at all. Looks good, man. I'm gonna have to buff the rest of my car down, boy. You can tell this is a brand new bumper on this thing. I don't know if y'all can tell by this camera, by this video, but I could tell here in person. Especially if I bring it out in the sunlight. Probably have to wash this thing today. Yeah, we looking good though, y'all. Got a new bumper on here. We ready to go now. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Catch y'all in the next video. Go home.